Right, okay, so we're now going to show you the common fault on the MX5 with the scuttle areas. So what we're going to focus on is, I've got my torch down there in the footwell, and what we're going to focus on is this screw here which holds the scuttle area on. Underneath it's got a rubber grommet which that screws into, and they're notorious to foul and then they let water straight through. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our watering can, and then I'm going to slowly put water just where that clip is, so making sure that none's running in the car. So if we just put loads on that clip there, and then I quickly go on the inside so we can see that it's dripping from underneath the glove box, or the dashboard, sorry. And that would be why that bracket is rusty, and we can see that it's dripping off, and it then drips into the front footwell. So as we can see, it's all wet down here, and it's wet obviously front to back on the driver's side. If we just go around to the passenger side, I don't believe the passenger one's leaking as of yet, but there is signs that possibly it has been leaking. So this one's got a little bit of a cover on it which won't protect it completely. So we'll put some water just down the back of the scuttle area. Okay, and then if we quickly go inside, I've got my torch up here. Right, okay, so this side doesn't seem to be leaking as bad as the other side, but if we look up here, we can see a telltale sign of where it has been leaking. Oh, there we go. So we just got a tiny little drop there. So it is leaking from both sides, which we did expect. So that's a case that obviously we're going to have to obviously get them sorted out there. As far as I can see, it doesn't feel that wet in the front, but we can't lift the carpet up until obviously we start taking bits and pieces out. So I believe that is everything we've found on the MX5.